So here's how to convert text to video in Invideo. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open any browser in your system and then search Invideo. Click on it. Its website will open. Click on sign up, it's free. Its dashboard will appear. At the right side, there are templates, and at the left, here are options to edit your video. Take your mouse to the left. Under templates, click on the option AI text to video. A variety of templates will be shown. Choose according to your demand. I am choosing this one. Check the template. You can also adjust the size of your video. Click on Use Template. At the left column, write the text you want to use. I am writing this line to show you. You can also copy it from anywhere else, like to copy it from Google. Open the text, press Ctrl+C, and then paste it on script writing place. After completing the text, make sure to click on Free. Next, you have to click on Create Scenes. Now you can see the video generated from the text here. You can edit it too. On the left side, you have tools to add images or videos. You can design it in any way that you want. So, in this way you can convert text into video in Invideo.